right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use circle graphs and their percentages in order to figure out how many people liked a particular winter activity. So let's say we're trying to figure out how many people liked sledding, okay? So looking here, the first thing we need to know is how many people were surveyed. So our circle graph is not always out of 100 people or 100 items. In this particular case, it's only out of 50. So now when I look at sledding, I see that it says 25%. So we want to know what 25% of that 50 is. And it's very simple. All we have to do is put this in Desmos, okay? So you definitely want to have your Virginia Desmos calculator up. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in 25 and hit the percent sign. And notice how it automatically comes up with the word of, because we're just trying to figure out what 25% of a 50 is. So now I'm going to type in 50. And if you notice, 25% of 50 gives me about 12 and a half. Now, we can't have halves of people or anything like that, but we can say approximately 12 people or approximately 13 people for this, okay? Now, I want us to take a look at another section. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I clear out my Desmos calculator. And let's get rid of that. All right, and let's take a look at skating, okay? So skating is 12%. We want to know how many people liked skating. So I'm going to go back to my Desmos and I'm going to type in 12%. Notice the of automatically comes up. And again, it's 50 people surveyed. So I'm going to type in 50. That will go away. There we go. And if you notice, we end up with 6. So 6 people like skating. All right, so anytime you are given percentages and you're asked to find how many people like this section or how many items are for this section, the only thing you have to do is take your percentage and figure out what the number is of that. So you would take your 12% of 50, or if it was skiing, you would do 40% of 50, put it in your Desmos, and then it will give you your answer.